Did you know your car might have a secret performance hack hiding right behind the steering wheel? Paddle shifters aren't just for race cars, they can transform your daily drive into something way more exciting. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. First things first, what are paddle shifters? These are little levers, usually mounted behind the steering wheel, that let you manually shift gears without a clutch pedal. They're common in automatic transmission cars, especially sporty models, and give you more control over your driving experience. How do paddle shifters work? Using them is simple. Pull the right paddle plus to shift up a gear. Pull the left paddle minus to shift down a gear. Your car's computer will still prevent you from over-revving or stalling, so don't worry about damaging the engine. Now, when should you use paddle shifters? Here are the best scenarios. Overtaking, downshift for quick acceleration. Going downhill, engine braking saves your brakes. Spirited driving, more control on twisty roads. Towing or heavy loads, stay in the right gear for power. Before you start shifting like a race car driver, avoid these mistakes. Shifting too early or too late, what your RPM is. Ignoring the transmission's limits, it won't let you shift if it's unsafe. Forgetting to upshift, you'll hit the rev limiter. Using them in heavy traffic, just stick to automatic mode. The best way to get comfortable, practice in a safe place. Try them out on an open road, feel how the car responds, and soon it'll become second nature. And that's it, now you know how to use paddle shifters like a pro. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.